A faulty exhaust gas recirculation valve will make your car hesitate to start when engine is warm, but the cold start is usually fine. It might idle rough as it warms up and could even stall at times. If the check engine light is on, the fault code P0400 might be present. EGR valve is located towards the passenger side of the engine head. First, remove the engine top cover. Disconnect the wiring from the EGR valve. Unclip the wiring harness and secure it out of the way. Unscrew the mounting bolts and remove the EGR valve and gasket from the car. Clean the mating surfaces. Refitting is a reversal of removal, but use a new gasket. Tighten the bolts to 15 foot-pounds.